In this video, I'll show you the best platforms where Nigerians are already earning money by writing. And guys, make sure you watch till the end because the last site on this list pays in a way most people don't know about. So guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want more legit remote jobs for Nigerians. Next on the list is Medium. So guys, Medium is perfect if you love writing articles. Now the Medium partner program pays you based on how many people read and engage with stories. So guys, you simply want to go to medium.com right here. So as you can see, we have Medium partner program, and guys, you can simply get paid by writing articles right here. So as you can see, this is it. Member read time, members only stories. We earn money when a member reads your story for 30 seconds or more. So guys, imagine that, and we continue to earn more the longer they keep reading long. And our thoughtful reads are encouraged, as you can see right here, and positive interactions. You will also earn more when members clap, highlight, reply, or engage with your story in other ways. And as you can see right here, and our follower bonus. And when members follow you and continue to read and interact with your stories, you will be given a follower bonus. And we encourage writers to share their stories with readers in a way that promotes community and audience building. You can see you can get these two boost bonus. Stories that are boosted will also earn more for each read and interaction. We recommend that writers spend more time on fewer high-quality stories to reach the bar. And if you are a member, the best way to succeed as a partner program writer is to also participate as a reader of stories on Medium. Alright, so you publish a story in the last 6 months, staying active, publishing regularly, and being engaged with the community are important ways to help from flourish. So you're located in an eligible country. So guys, let's quickly check the full list of supported countries right here on the Medium partner. So as you can see right there, these are the supported countries. As you can see, if you're in Nigeria, this is an opportunity for you to make a good amount of money for yourself, alright? So guys, you have no excuse, alright? So guys, now if you are getting value, please guys, I want you to actually give this video a like. Make sure you like this video, and if you are yet to subscribe, please do so, and also share with your friends. Number 2 is iWriter. So guys, here clients request blog posts and articles, and you can get paid for writing them. So beginners start small, but the more you write and get good reviews, the higher you can earn right here on this platform. So as you can see, these are the steps right there. Step 1, you register for a free account. So step 2, you simply request the type of content you would like written, and for step 3, you receive your content from a writer, and step 4, you review your content and approve or reject it. You see right here, this is the step 5, alright? So that you can simply go through everything to actually get more information on this. So guys, you can simply make money from iWriter.com if you are consistent enough, right? So the third website right here is simply WriterAccess, and WriterAccess connects freelancers with big brands looking for quality writers. So guys, once accepted, you can get article and blog assignments that pay well. So it is harder to join, but the earnings right here make it worth it, alright? So guys, you can simply go to this WriterAccess.com. So guys, of course, I'll be leaving all the links mentioned in the description of this video, so you can check it out after watching this video, right? So you can see right here, blog, brand writing styles, competitive review, case studies, human versus AI, WriterAccess Academy, and guys, you can simply join this. So guys, make sure you stick with me right to the end of this video, guys, so you don't want to miss the last website on this list. So guys, it is very important. Make sure you stay with me right to the end of this video. Let's move into creative writing. And Goodnovel pays Nigerian writers to publish serialized stories, can earn royalties, and even get contracts if your book becomes popular. So guys, to actually get started, you want to go to Goodnovel.com, and you can actually see right here that they have a whole lot of benefits. writer rewards, auto brand, auto project, and that they have contests too. So guys, you can win the prize right here. If you are up to it, you can simply join the contest right here. Now, as you can see, you can write on mafia, urban, paranormal games, and war history and so on. All right, so guys, you can even write short stories, all right, and earn money right there. All right, so guys, if you want me to actually create a video on how you can set up your account step by step, let me know in the comment section. I'll simply do that. All right, and right at number 5 we have Webnovel. And Webnovel is another platform where you can upload stories through images and earn through contracts and reader payment. So guys, you have to take note of this, that consistency is key right here. So writers who publish regularly earn more on the webnovel.com. Alright, so you can so you can also join the contest right there, so that you can win this amount of money. Alright, so guys, as you can see right here, you can write on a whole lot of things. All right, you can write a whole lot of things. So for you to actually get started, you can simply come here and click on create. All right, so number 6 we have Wattpad, and Wattpad is one of the largest writing communities. If your stories gain enough traction, you can be invited to Wattpad stories, where readers pay to access your work. Nigerians are part of this program too. All right, so guys, you can simply make money by writing right here on the Wattpad. As you can see, we have different people that are already doing so on the Wattpad. So guys, this is the 6th website right here, wattpad.com. So guys, like I said, the link I'll be leaving it in the description of this video. And finally, the hidden gem, Fizzo, also known as Joy Read. So guys, this mobile app pays writers for serialized novels. Many Nigerian writers are quietly making money here because the competition is lower than on bigger platforms. So if you want a fresh start, this could be your chance. So guys, now when you get started, you want to come to where you see write stories. So when you click on that, you'll be able to start writing on fizzo.org. all right, so you can start your writing career now, so by clicking on this. All right, so you can simply go through this to actually get more information on this. So guys, those are 8 legit platforms where Nigerians can get paid to write articles and stories online. So guys, which of these would you try first, articles or creative stories? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more videos on remote jobs for Nigerians, hit subscribe and check out the next video I have linked right here.